Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the student from CS404A. So, we are going to present about our CSC404 group project, which is student registration. So, this is our group members, consists of Syahdenis Azlin, Nur Alia Khadijah, Sharifah Nasrin Adriana, Nur Alia Shamimi, and Nurin Alifah Iana. So now I'm going to explain a little bit about our introduction for our group project, which is student registration system. This application program is used for a student registration system, which is a tool designed to help institution or administrator manage student information more efficiently and systematically. This operation allows user to perform key operations such as adding new student records, displaying all existing student data, and resetting all records. This program stores student data including their personal details, academic program information, and their address. The system also allows the user to register new student by entering their details and saving the information into a text file which can be accessed and displayed later. The purpose of this application is to modernize the traditional method of keeping student record, which is often done on paper or using basic spreadsheets. So, by using this digital system, user can prevent data loss, reduce human errors, and speed up the registration process. In this project, we implemented 3 struct types, which are student, address, and programs. The student struct includes ID, name, age, origin, and 2 nested structs such as address and program. Our system consists of 4 main functions, which are menu, add student, display student, and reset file. So, first one is menu function, which display the main choices for the user. The second one is add student function, allows the user to input student details and store them into a file. And the third one is display student function. It reads all records from the file and display them on the screen. And lastly, the reset file function, which is used to clear all data from the file when needed.
Next is problem statement. Many institutions still use manual methods like paper forms or basic spreadsheets to manage student record. These traditional methods are time-consuming, inefficient, and prone to human errors such as misplaced file or incorrect data entry. Retrieving and updating information is difficult without a centralized digital system. There is no proper structure for storing detailed student information such as addresses and academic programs. Next is objective. The objective is to develop a C++ program that allows the registration and storage of student record using structured programming and file handling. We also aim to ensure student data is saved in a text file for permanent storage and can be read back for display. Next, to replace manual data handling with an automated system that reduces errors and improves data retrieval.
Hi, my name is Nur Azim binti Azhar with matrix number 2024247002. So let's proceed with the flowchart. There are 5 main flowcharts in this system. First, we start with the main menu function. As you can see, it starts with the function call to menu function and the user needs to input their choice from 1 to 4. For each choice, we'll call another function or end the system. For choice 1, the function will call add student function. Choice 2 will go to display student function. The third choice will end the system, while the fourth choice will lead to the reset file function. Next, the second flowchart is add student. User need to input their personal information. All this will be kept into file. After the completion, the system will display the student added successfully. Next, display student flowchart. First, it will open student text for reading. If the file is open, it will display student info. If not, no valid student records will appear. Exit flowchart, it will display goodbye. The last one, reset file flowchart. First, it will open the student text in truncated mode. Then, if the file open, close the file and display all student records have been cleaned. If the file does not open, a resetting file will appear. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurin Alifah Iana binti Bizal and my ID is 2024-20274. Today I'm going to be explaining about the inputs and also the outputs. So first of all, the users will be asked to enter the number of their choices. So we have 4 choices, which is 1. Add students, 2. Display students, 3. Exit, and also 4. Reset all students registered. So first, for the first choice, the students will be asked to enter their inputs for their for their details, such as the student information, the address information, and also the program information. In the student information, the users will be asked to enter their name, their age, their ID, and also their origin. For the address informations, the users will be asked to enter their street, their city, their postcode, their state, and also their country. Meanwhile, for the program information, the users will be asked to enter their program name, program code, their duration, department, and also their faculty. So next, we're gonna talk about the outputs. So for the outputs, the users will receive a message for every input that have been given. So for choice 1, the students will receive a message saying that student added successfully. For choice 2, the students will receive a message showing the registered students, and also they will receive a message when there are no students registered, such as no student records found, please add students first. For choice 3, the users will receive a message saying that goodbye, and also for choice 4, the users will receive a message saying that all students' records have been cleared. So in my next slide, I'm going to explain and show to you on how the program is executed. So now, as you can see in this video, I entered choice 1 and entered the needed information. Okay, so for the second choice, I entered choice 3, which displays the message goodbye. So, as you can see, even though I've closed and reopened the program, after entering choice 2, I could see the registered students that I have entered in choice 1 from the previous one. So next, I entered choice 4, in which I got a message, all students' record is deleted. And afterwards, I entered again choice 2, and it stated that there are no student records. So that's it. Thank you. So now, as you can see in this video, I entered choice 1 and entered the needed information. Okay, so for the second choice, I entered choice 3, which displays the message goodbye. So, as you can see, even though I've closed and reopened the program, after entering choice 2, I could see the registered students that I have entered in choice 1 from the previous one. So next, I entered choice 4, in which I got a message, all students' record is deleted. And afterwards, I entered...
Thank you, Alifah. Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Alia Syamimi binti Muhammad Suhaimi, and my student metric is 2024275224. Today, I'll be presenting about code snippet. There are 3 things in code snippet. First, the menu function. Secondly, the add function. And thirdly is the display function. So let's take a look at line 49. There are functions to display and handle the main menu. We use void menu and a do loop to display menu in a loop until user choose to exit. So next, at line 85, there are functions to add a new student record to the file. We use void add student. This will open file in append mode to add new records without overwriting. Thirdly is to display function. At line 156, we use function to display a student record from the file. We use void display student. This will open file for reading in the file name. And also, the file will check if the file exit and can be opened. And at line 188, there are while loop to read and display each student records. That's all for me. Thank you. And lastly, thank you for watching our presentation.